to meet you.
Yeah, pleasure. Thank you so much.
All right. So one of the things that I had a question with is that do you see yourself as a product company or brand company?
We're a brand completely. When people look at our watches, they aren't just telling the time. They're considering how they're spending their life, basically.
Okay.
For us, it's about empowering people to do more with their lives. And our slogan is everything starts by saying yes. You know, if you don't take up an opportunity, you don't know what's going to happen. So for us, it's about creating a brand, and we've kind of proven that. I mean, we get emails each and every day saying, yes, man empowered me to do this. I took up this opportunity because I checked, the time on my watch and realized I had enough time to do it.
Do you think that it's the function of the watch, or is it because of the way that it's collabed?
So
what is it about it?
From our sales,
the name itself?
So from our sales right now, we've realized that we have two customer segments. One of the men aged under 30 who really dig Yes Man as a brand. They get out of class, they scream, yes man, let's go surf, let's go swim, whatever it may be, and they go after their dreams. And the other are watch enthusiasts that spend thousands of dollars on watches and buy our watch. It's only $150. For them, that's nothing because they already spend a couple grand a year on watches, and they buy it solely because they want to try out our new patent pending buckle. No other strap gives you the perfect fit in the world. We're the only ones that can create a holeless leather rubber watch strap.
So let's go back to the vision. Did you start with the vision of a branding company and you decided that the first product that this brand was going to have the representation was going to be a watch, or that you have access to this patent, and I'm going to ask you a question about the patent, and happen to be used for a watch, and then you build the brand based on watch?
I'll give you a background about it. Yeah, so my freshman year of college, I had the concept for the brand. My friends and I would be surfing before class, cliff jumping between, doing so much with our day. We realized everything starts by saying yes. From there, we had this concept, it'd be a group of guys, we'd be like, yes, man, let's go for it, What's to lose? I was shopping one day, my sophomore year of college, saw a belt with a similar apparatus, was checking the time on my watch, and realized, wow, this could be Yes Man's first product, a watch with a really cool buckle that no one created yet.
How is the buckle connects to the brand? The reason I'm asking that is because as you go forward with all the other products, that's not necessarily the common denominator, because this is not...
Exactly. The common denominator is the brand, and that's what we're trying to create.
Right. So, but do you think that there has to be some connection early on, or it doesn't have to be?
There doesn't. We've already proven that people buy our watches and products because of the brand. I mean, we go to the events and we sell sunglasses. We aren't really selling watches at events. We'll sell like at least 50 sunglasses in a couple of hours.
Because it's called Yes Man.
Yeah, because the sunglasses are quality, it's got the name, people really dig it and they resonate with it. The watch buckle itself is just an add-on. When we get posted, for example, on Instagram on feeds that are watch specific, like Watch Candy, they have 120,000 followers. We get posted on there, they say, check out this neat buckle by Yes Man. Those 120,000 followers are mostly people that really like watches. They say, wow, this is cool, I'll buy one because it's a neat buckle. And then they realize, the brand behind it and the story behind it, and they get really into it.
Now, is this, have you done any work to see if you can trademark it or not?
The patent or the name?
The name.
The name's trademarked.
Because obviously the patent is not an important thing.
No, the name is fully trademarked, and so is the logo.
It has been.
Yeah, it's been approved by however you say, approved by the United States Patent and Trademark Office.
Well, it's not a patent, but anyway. So as far as the branding, what is your vision? Now carry me through the next 2,000 products.
Exactly.
Are these all series of products that you all have in mind that are going to be rolled out?
So primarily our main focus is watches, and the reason being is because it costs us, or for us to make as much money selling a watch as we do with sunglasses, we have to sell 3 times the amount of sunglasses, because our sunglasses retail at $50 and our watches retail at $150. So we're more focused as being a watch company, but having these accessories when we go to events and surf contests and all that, it's awesome to be able to sell and expand our brand as well through that avenue. So our main focus is watches, but also we have these avenues because of my supply chain background, being able to work with board short suppliers, backpack suppliers, whatever it may be, we have the ability to do. It's more of just where do we want to put our brand and where do we want to make the direction of our brand go.
Okay, so then walk me please through the cost of a watch.
Totally.
Where do you get it from?
Yeah,
what's the cost of
definitely.
it? And who owns the patent? Now let's get detailed into the watch then.
Cool. So the watch is made in China. I used to live in China, speak Mandarin fluently. It's stainless steel, medical grade, genuine leather. It costs us $25.60, and that's at a $300 minimum. If we produce 1,000, it'll go down to 25. If we produce 5,000, it can go all the way down to $17. Sunglasses, on the other hand, produce them for $4.40. That's a 92% margin on what we sell retail. Right now, we've produced about 1,500. If we go up to 5,000 sunglasses, it can go down to $3.50. So the margins get better with the quantity of the order. But at the same time, our margins are still good, and we still have that avenue to go into retail because they're still up there. I mean, our sunglasses are in about 6 boutique retail stores right now. We put in about 20 sunglasses. We have this really cool wooden rack. We put them in. They usually put it by the cash register, and we have people reordering, every 2-3 weeks. And what's crazy about it is we're up against Oakley, Ray-Ban, all the big brands, and these guys are saying that our sunglasses are selling better than those big brands. And
how do you measure that?
How do we measure that? Their emails and text messages. They say, look.
No, I mean per shop, per stand, because you said that you believe that it's being sold more than some of the brand names.
Oh, the owners of the shop tell us.
I mean, how is it gut feel? Or?
Yeah, I can pull up an email.
But they email you and they say we sold more, or are they in fact keeping part of it?
I'll pull up an email of one of the guys. He said, hey Nathan, how's it going? I want to touch base because I need to get more sunglasses and want to send a check for what has sold. All of the glasses have sold real well. And we used to have a sales rep, Andrew, that managed the shop, but now he works primarily with us. And this is Saltwater Surf and Supply. They're in Ocean Beach.
Okay. What percentage of your customers are guys?
Guys, I'd say probably 65-70%.
Okay.
We have 2 models with sunglasses that are co-ed primarily. I mean, look, all the sunglasses are co-ed, but 2 of the styles that we sell.
The watches for now are men.
Primarily men's, but at the same time, we get a lot of women that say, oh, I'd wear that, because right now, for women, the big face is in right now.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and then tell me about the patent.
Mm-hmm. So the patent's filed as a utility patent. It was filed about 5.
Was a patent in somebody else's name and you bought it for the watch?
I filed it. It's my name. We work with Tech Law LLP, and it's filed as a utility patent. So it's the function of sliding the strap through the buckle, and the buckle catches on notches inserted in the strap.
Right.
So we filed multiple designs, did a lot of research on previous artwork, and didn't find much out there. There's a lot for the buckles, but ours is specific to the straps. So with our patent, our goal is to be the only ones able to create a holeless leather rubber watch strap.
Right. Yeah. And are you considering a belt as well?
It's funny you ask that, because a lot of the bigger belt companies have hit us up and they say, we want to partner up because you know how to do these watches, we know how to do the belts. We're in 3,000 to 5,000 boutique stores across the country. Let's make something happen where we put you through our distribution channel. And for us, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Our main focus is really perfecting this product. As I said, it's a little bulky and could be easier to use, so we have a new one coming.
You said it was smaller profile.
Yeah, so this one right now is 14 millimeters. Our new one coming is under 8 millimeters. Instead of a lever, it's a button. So we, to make that actually, we hired a contract manufacturer that's based in Guangzhou, China. He's an American, speaks fluent Mandarin just like me, and he's been doing accessory manufacturing for over 20 years. So it costs us more than it usually would, but at the same time, we really wanted to ensure that this production run is going to be spot on because we're ready to expand the buckle.
What's been the cost of capital for you to get to this status right now?
Our expenses last year were...
How much money have you raised and spent?
We haven't raised any money.
Now, how much money have you put in? Or
so to start, so the molds, like I said, we originally looked in America, but went to China because that's my background, right. And the costs there were just like 1/10. So our mold was about $900. We put in... Production run cost about $15,000, and we were profitable. I mean, within like the first month, basically, we were just selling watches, and from there, we've been profitable since. We're not going to spend what we don't have, and we could really keep an eye on to make sure that we're always staying afloat.
It's great. Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, it means a lot.
Good luck with everything.
I appreciate it. Yeah, thank you.
Your fan base is following us.
Yeah. Thank you so much.